Okay, I'd like to show you guys how to use this little line finder device for your Arduinos. It has 3 pins on the back. Very simple. Power, ground, and one of your digital pins. This is a digital sensor. It'll return either a 0 or a 1, basically a high or a low, depending on whether or not it's over a line. You've got your infrared transmitter and receiver here. You can see the transmitter glowing blue in the camera. Normally you can't see that with your own naked eyes, but we've got a camera here, so it shows up. You've got a potentiometer that'll let you adjust range. So if you want it to work really close, you can adjust the potentiometer to do that. If you want it to work a little further away, you can adjust it to make that happen too. You still have to stay fairly close to the surface that has the line on it, because this really works at close range. And you'll notice that if you adjust your potentiometer and then bring this close to the surface that you plan on tracking the line on, when you get close enough to the surface, that red light right there is going to come on. Okay, that indicates that it's sensing something that's light colored. It won't do that over black. And so with my finger, I basically have to touch it at this point. But if I come down to a piece of paper, I've got a little red light right there, and I'm going to move over to this black line. Light goes off. It just found black. Come back to white, come back to black. This thing is working. Okay, so that's how you're going to get this set up and working on your robot. Is you're going to find that place on your robot where you can mount this, and you're going to be close enough to your surface that the red light is going to come on when you're over white. If it doesn't come on, go ahead and try to adjust your potentiometer and check again. And if you max out the potentiometer one way or the other, you're going to find this whole system just doesn't work at all. So somewhere in the middle is your happy place, and you're going to have to build your robots to accommodate that happy place. But at least this gives you a little bit of flexibility. And having that light come on when you get close enough to be able to read a white surface is really handy at figuring this out. As far as programming it, the instructions for that are going to be written in the Moodle and not in this video.